Let me show you how to find phone numbers for cold outreach at a scale you can't even imagine. We're going to be using this app called LeadsForge. LeadsForge will allow us to find leads and find numbers of those leads. This is unlike any other lead platform you have ever seen. Instead of fiddling around with filters, here you simply search by inputting a description of your ideal customer's profile. So you can find followers of your company or competition, lookalike leads similar to your existing clients, or search by customer profile, which is what we're going to be doing today. You can here and literally you just describe your leads, right? For example, let's say SaaS companies focusing on marketing in the United States. CMOs. Here we go. We just wrote a little description, click send, and here you go. In just a few seconds, it found 130 leads for us. Now, what we can do with those leads is actually get the phone numbers. You click enrich contacts, and click phone number. And this way, you'll be able to export phone numbers for each and every lead you just found. If you want more, you can of course adjust the filters or tell the AI to expand the search. For example, let's say include CEOs, founders, and now we have 12,777 leads. Insane. Again, what you would do, you click enrich contacts, you select how many you want. For the example, let's do 1. Phone number, start enrichment, or let's do like 2, right? Sure. Start enrichment. Now it's enriching the contacts. If you want LinkedIn profile, you can get that as well. Work email, you can get that as well. And here we go, we have the phone number, both of them. You can cold call, say hello, do you need my services? You know, all of that stuff, sell your products and all of that. So the platform is LeadsForge. You get 100 free credits. Try it out yourself. Link is in the description. Have a good one and peace.